Hey,
bud, don't be so rough with the puppies. No, that's not playing. That's being rough with them.
Flip opener.
get it, Ava.
No, I'm scared.
Why?
Jason,
I don't touch them. I don't like snakes.
I ain't touching
Okay,
it.
watch what happens if we get too close. He'll start rattling. See his little tail?
I'll strike at you.
Look at that. He thinks he's a rattlesnake. Oh, here comes a puppy. Watch this. Let's get a puppy attack. No, well, the cat's coming too. Come on, kitty, kitty. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Or you think it's our rattlesnake? Hmm.
The puppy got up there and he's like,
Kitty, what good are you if you can't get the snake?
what good kitty are you? I think cats are scared of snakes. We can never kill it. What if it's here tomorrow, Mama? Let me pick it up.
I wanted him to attack my phone. He won't.
Why do you want it to attack your